Hello dear viewers of our channel. So in one of the previous video I've already told you about the most popular feeder installations. So many of you asked me why didn't I tell you about the feeder equipment called helicopter. So it's quite forgettable, but I wanted to tell you how to do it, how to use it, how to connect it, and what conditions do you need to use it. So we're connected very easily. I do it on a cord of the fishing line. It's quite thick and rigid. So the length is about 35 centimeters. At the end of it, we have some hooks. Just I do their noose, and firstly, I've put here two stoppers, and between them I have helicopter. On the one end, I've put carbine here, or to the noose if we have noose here. In this case, I have a carbine. I put the feeder here. With help of this carbine, we've got leader, stopper, our fluently spinning vert nuke, or also it called speed, and on the speed I put our leash, or also leader. I hope you know how to make these noose. And I think you know how to install your leash by the way noose in noose. You can see how we're doing it. So we're tightening it. Our leash is on the spit, so that when you throw it, it not to confuse it, not to touch our feeder. So the length has to be that it couldn't get it. So you can control it with stoppers. In this case, when you throw it, your leash will spin fluidly and it will not touch your feeder. As only you start making this leash to be more longer, it will touch the feeder. So there is no meaning to do a non-leash. So I will tell you what case do we need to use this installation. So although it's quite forgotten, I use it in two cases when I want to fish on a very deep place. So it's very convenient in that situation, because the feeder will go to the bottom and our leash will be on the surface. So one more case is when we need to use it when you want to do very long throw. So the distance may be 100 meters or more. This installation lets you to do it. It's really good for it because our leash spins fluently and it lets to make very long throws. So you'll be able to fish on a very big distance. So also we need to remake this equipment to another one. So we need to take it off now, our leash. We are going to do running rig. We are taking the feeder off. we are putting the carbine off and we put it on our speed where we had our niche, and we put it here. So we've got sport, we've got sporty equipment. So all in all, from the helicopter you can make running. We are putting the stoppers to the edges of it, so near to our speeds, and on one end of it we put our leash. So also we have the way nose to nose and nose to nose. So what we got? Before we got the helicopter, so now we have running. So it's all almost the same sporty equipment, but we have two stoppers. So it comes fluently from our feeder and it doesn't spoil anything. So this way, from the helicopter equipment, we've done running. Yes, we don't have here a tip that usually uses in sporty, in running, maybe, but we can do it without it. Because we even can put it to the finger and just try this installation. Maybe you'll like it, because artificially sometimes the main reason of it is an excellent protection from the facing the leash and our feeder from their changing, from their spoiling. So this is all. Subscribe on our channel, like it, and don't forget to share it in social medias. Also entry to our groups in Wiki, Odnoklassniki, and Facebook. All the links are in the description box. So good luck in fishing. Try, experiment, different installation, choose your own one. Goodbye, good night.